students, today I am going to teach you economics. In the last class, I had discussed economic development. In economic development, income or money played a major component of development. It is true that income or money has great importance. All the goods and services in our economy is measured only in terms of money. But money is not everything. Money in your possession or in your pocket cannot buy you a pollution-free environment, can not protect you from spurious or adulterated drugs available in the market, cannot protect you from the infectious disease like COVID-19, which is ravaging the world and attacking at the very root of our civilization. So money is important, but money is not everything. Other model of development is economic development. Human development. Economic development is measured only by per capita income, national income or GDP. To fill the gap, the government has also started providing several basic facilities, public facilities for the people to improve their condition. The government has started several schools, colleges, universities to raise literacy rate in India. The government has also set up several hospitals to provide Medicare facilities to our people. The government also started public distribution system through which commodities like rice, wheat, sugar or kerosene are given to the needy and lower sections of society at cheaper or subsidized rates. So the other aspect of development is economic development. In economic development, the World Bank has categorized the world into two groups, developed and underdeveloped. But the other aspect of development is human development, in which UNDP, United Nations Development Program, has issued HDI, Human Development Index, of 177 countries of the world. And HDI is a cumulative measurement of longevity, literacy rate and decent standard of living. Longevity is a choice to live a long and healthy life. The longevity in India is 66 years now. We have made a great achievement in this field. Literacy or net attendance ratio in primary, secondary and tertiary or university levels, it is 62. The percentage of male literacy has increased, but female literacy is still lagging behind. We have to give a composite or comprehensive view to improve female literacy rate. On this basis, 3 states of India are being compared. Maharashtra, which has the highest per capita income, Kerala, which has not as high as in Maharashtra, and third is Bihar, which has lower per capita income, lowest per capita income in India. So the comparison is based on economic and human development. Maharashtra has the highest per capita income, but Kerala is highest in literacy rate, net attendance ratio, and healthcare facilities. So you can say that in India, Kerala has best human development. Bihar is lagging far behind in per capita income and economic development parameters too. In the last, we are going to compare economic development and human development. Economic development is a narrower aspect of development. Human development, on the other hand, as broader aspect of development. Second, economic development thinks only of quantitative improvement, while human development considers both qualitative and quantitative aspect of development. Third, economic development is the way to achieve the goal of life. It is a means only, while human development is the end or final goal of life. Thank you.